Hey, I'm Jared with Tire City and Auto. We've been proudly serving Montgomery since 2012. We're a family-owned and operated business with 2 locations on Atlanta Highway and East South Boulevard. We want to welcome you to our shop. From the moment you walk in, we want you to feel comfortable and well taken care of. Our service advisors will greet you with a smile and walk you through everything. So whether you're getting a new set of tires, getting an oil change, maintenance, or some major repair, we've got you covered. We've got a clean, cozy waiting area with refreshments, Wi-Fi, and a team that's ready to make your visit as smooth and stress-free as possible. Now come on back and let me show you exactly where the magic happens. Our technicians are some of the best in the industry, highly trained, ASE certified, and backed by the latest in diagnostic and repair technology. So let's look at some of that technology and why your tires love us. This is our Hunter Revolution Tire Changer, one of the most advanced machines on the market. It's fully automated and touchless, so it protects your wheels and installs your tires perfectly, every time. Then we pair that with the Hunter Road Force Elite Balancer, which simulates real-world driving pressures to eliminate vibration and to give you the smoothest ride possible. Together, this setup delivers results you just can't get any other way. And to keep your tires wearing evenly, we use the latest Hunter HawkEye Elite Alignment System. It's fast, precise, and ensures your vehicle tracks straight and true. We always offer complimentary tire rotation and balancing every 6,000 miles to help you get the most out of your investment. We're a licensed Michelin tire center, and we carry all major brands to fit your needs and your budget. Whether it's tires, alignment, or balancing, our Hunter trained technicians are the best in the business. We care deeply about your satisfaction because we're not just another repair shop.
We're your neighbors, your friends, and a family that's proud to serve Montgomery with honesty and care.
We are Tire City and Auto, and we look forward to serving you the right tire expert service.